Hello, friend.
Wow!
Thank you.
Ha!
I need an intervention, divine intervention.
What?
Crucial moments to
Oh my
pay
God.
attention carefully.
Ah!
The shadows of my past welcome me again with a smile.
Ho ho ho!
But something deep within, something new, lets me emerge from my cocoon. I only have what's right in front of me. Only you know what is right for me.
Yes?
Compromise, compromise, compromise. Improvise, improvise, improvise. I need a nice vacation, pure introspection.
Oh my God.
There is nowhere else to go, so I'll be coming home to your sadness. Doesn't compare to the happiness that's just around the corner. I only have what's right in